Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all guys are doing good. And this is my, I don't know what number of days this. I quit my practicing English for 90 days because I had exams, and also I'm not able to be consistent. That's why I'm not able to shoot videos. And today I finally realized that it's okay. What if I quit for 2 or 3 days? It's okay, I will shoot for the next days. It will become a memory that i I skipped this much days in my 90 days, so that I can say that I am not able to do the all 90 days, but I did this much. That will be considered as the improvement, for improvement. So if I am quit that, it feels like quit what. Or you already stopped recording, why you need again that, or start from the beginning. So I have to start from 0th day or a first day. So I am making practice this, even though I am not able to being consistent. But whenever I quit the thing what I am doing, I will start the next preparation from the where I left. From that itself, I'm not going to start from its a scratch. It's a very bad habit. I realize that it's happened with everything. Like whenever I try to learn DSA, there also it happened. Like when maintain consistency over 10 to 12 days, I learned array strings and some of stack, and again I quit. And after coming a 1 week or 15 days, my mind will start in that way that I should start from scratch, and this time I will be consistent. But that will not going to be happen. So you should make that, you must make that you start from where you left. It's not that much difficult. Just make sure that you start where you left, and it's a very good habit, because you are not going back and doing the things, and again you will lost motivation. Again you will lose motivation, and again you will go back and you will do the same thing. So whenever you get a bad day, leave it and start the next day with the what you left and what you have to do. This is the main funda. If you are practicing anything consistently, I sure that you will not be able to be consistent, because this is a very distracted world. Because today I planned for so much things, but end up with doing not doing that all things. But I did some of the things that really give some of confidence, and till now I have a time. So I will complete 1 or 2 tasks what what I think thought that I will do today. So this is what I am doing to tell. Just make sure that you have the habit of just start from where you left. It's not going to be that much difficult. And this is for today. I don't know what I talked today, but I will start recording again. I will count the day, how much day I, including those quit days, because remember it will remembers me that I am not able to do every day, but I did what I promised myself. Okay, thank you